WhatsApp has introduced a new feature that lets you send recent messages to newly added group members, helping them quickly catch up on the conversation. In this video, I will show you how to use it step by step. First, make sure that you have updated WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open the app. Next, open the group where you want to add a new member. Tap the group name at the top to open the group info page. Now tap the person with the plus sign icon to add members. Then, select the contact you'd like to add to the group. Above the Add Members button, you will see the new update, Message History. Send recent messages to the selected member. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, WhatsApp rolls out new features gradually, so it may take some time to appear on all accounts. Now, tap the toggle to turn it on. And then tap Add Members. From the confirmation prompt, tap Continue. The selected member will be added to the group, and WhatsApp will send them the recent messages so they can quickly catch up on the conversation. This feature helps new members quickly understand the conversation without scrolling through hundreds of previous messages. So that's how you can use WhatsApp's new Send Recent Messages feature when adding someone to a group.